Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all are well and living safe life at your home. Now today let us we will discuss about some questions from exercise 7.3. This is your third question. Your question is replace in this blank box. This is the one blank box. Replace blank box in each of the following by the correct number. Your question is 2 upon 7 is equal to 8 upon, it is the blank box. So in this question is what will you do? In this question first we will discuss about what is the relation between 2 and 8. What is the relation between 2 and 8? You know very well. 2 4 ja 8. 2 upon 7 is equal to, so 2 4 ja 8. The meaning is if you 2 multiplied by 4, then you will get 8. 2 into 4 upon 7 into 4. We will apply the same number in numerator and denominator. 2 into 4 upon 7 into 4. 2 4 ja 8. 7 into 4. It will give to you 28. The answer is 28. The meaning is in this blank box, which is the suitable number? The suitable number is 28. Okay. So answer of this question is 28. Your next question is 45 upon 60 is equal to 15 upon, this is the one blank box. So we will apply the same procedure. What is the relation between 45 and 15? I hope that all are know about the multiplication table. So 45 upon 60. The meaning is 45 divided by 3. You will give to 15. Okay. If 45 divided by 3, then it will give to you 15. So in this question, in numerator and denominator, we will divide it by 3. 45 divided by 3, it will give to you 15. 60 divided by 3, it will give to you 20. So my dear student, required answer for this question is 20. So answer is 20. Okay. Your next question is, this is question number 4. Find the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5 having a denominator 20. In 3 upon 5, as you are looking, in 3 upon 5, 5 is denominator and your required question is 5 converted to 20. 5 converted to 20. So what will you do? You know very well, 5 4 ja 20. So in this question, the meaning is 3 upon 5 is equal to, in this question, in numerator and denominator multiplied by 4. 3 4 ja 12, 5 4 ja 20. So answer of this question is 12 upon 20. 12 upon 20 is required answer of the given question. Okay. Your next question is numerator is 27. In this given fraction is 3 upon 5. The question is saying numerator 3 converted to 27. So what will you do? First we will know about what is the relation between 3 and 27. You know very well 3 9 ja 27. So in this question, in numerator and denominator multiplied by 9. In numerator and denominator multiplied by 9. So it will give to you 3 into 9 upon 5 into 9. 3 9s are 27, 5 9s are 45. 27 upon 45 is the required answer of the given question. Okay, my dear student, your next question is, this is question number 5. Find the equivalent fraction of 36 upon 48 with a numerator 9. Question is 36 upon 48. Now according to this question, 36 we will convert it to 9. So what will you do? How will you get 9? You know very well 36 divided by 4. You will get 9. So for this question, in this fraction, numerator and denominator divided by 4. 36 divided by 4, you will give to you 9. 48 divided by 4, it will give to you 12. So 9 upon 12 is required answer of the given question. Second part for this question is denominator 4. Question is saying this is the fraction 36 upon 48. In this question 36 is numerator, 48 is denominator. 48 we will convert it to 4. So what will you do? You know very well 12 4 ja 48. 12 4 ja 48. So in this fraction, in numerator and denominator divided by 12. 36 divided by 12, it will give to you 3. 48 divided by 12, it will give to you 4. Answer of this question is 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4 is required answer of the given question. Okay. Your next question is, check whether the given fractions are equivalent. Question is saying, suppose you have two fractions are given. Suppose you have two fractions are given. 5 upon 9 first fraction, 30 upon 54 is second fraction. So these two fractions are equivalent or not equivalent. What will you do? For this type of question, we will apply the cross multiplication. The meaning is, after applying the cross multiplication, you will take 5 multiplied by 54 and 9 multiplied by 30. This is 54 into 5, it will give to you 270. 30 multiplied by 9, it will give to you 270. In these two sides, both numbers are same. In these two sides, both numbers are same or both numbers are equal. So 5 upon 9 and 5 upon 9 and 30 upon 54 are equivalent fraction. 5 upon 9 and 30 upon 54 is equivalent fraction. So my dear students, I hope that this question or this exercise will be very useful to you for your knowledge and upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.